Ito na lang, Jay.
Which is called Bethlehem. To be taxed with him, his espoused wife, being raped and child.
Wait nga lang, ibabalik ko lang to sa sakyan.
Saan ka namin hahanapin?
Ha?
Bye, Jade!
Dito na lang tayo dun sa ano.
Saan? Can I have some?
Strawberry nga.
Walked at her side. Upon her arrival,
Dali, hoy! Taste test! Dali.
the town
Jade!
Dali, upa. O, ayan na reaction.
Hindi kita talaga. Ito ka sa... Magama.
Ba't nakasim?
were married to Fran's sons.
Good.
Welcomed their child into the world. Every man
Si Jay, say hi.
to lay their oaths.
CJ?
As Harry and Joseph journeyed
Ikaw, anong gusto mo?
Or yun na naman. Strawberry daw, sabi natin.
Nag-ice cream ka na kanina.
Nag-ice cream na ba to?
Oo, masisira yung tit mo.
Yung Oreo naman. Iba na lang, bibilang kita, iba na lang. Dali na.
Pinagtitingin nga ang tao dyan.
Try mo yung kay Kuya CJ.
So good.
his child.
Bibilang ko ice cream.
All three
Bili tayong